Hi guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can share a sales invoice or customer invoice to your clients through other applications like WhatsApp, using AirDrop, Telegram, saving to Drive, and etc. Go to your invoices section. You can share your invoice either when they've been already created and distributed and they're under unpaid, or if they are in draft status. So for example, invoice for 850 in draft status, click on preview. And now I can share this invoice by clicking on share at top corner and select how I want to share this invoice from one of the options below, or to share to particular contact person available from your WhatsApp list. Another way, if you have already sent invoice out but you want to share through other means of or other applications, for example, click on I'm clicking on entertainment, click on three dots, and there is share PDF, and you will be presented with the same options to select from. For example, if you want to send through WhatsApp, email, different email address, maybe messages, AirDrop, and etc. So this is a way how you can share your invoices, even in draft status or invoices which have been already sent out, through different applications on your mobile phone from Coconut Accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared links in the description section below to my complete Coconut Accounting software tutorial and my personal review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.